The word contract means to make something smaller. So a contraction is when two words are joined and made smaller by removing one or more letters. When the letters are removed, we replace them with an apostrophe. Let's look at some examples. I did not want to eat. When did and not are joined, the O is removed and replaced with an apostrophe to make the word didn't. I didn't want to eat. Let us walk to the park. When let and us are joined, the U is removed and replaced with an apostrophe to make the word let's. Let's walk to the park. I am taller than you. When I and am are joined, the A is removed and replaced with an apostrophe to make the word un. I'm taller than you. I cannot look at you. When can and not are joined, the N and the O are removed and replaced with an apostrophe to make the word can't. I can't look at you. You would not want to be him. When you and would are joined, the W, O, U and L are removed and replaced with an apostrophe to make the word you'd. You'd not want to be him.